I'm saying? Much gratitude, much gratitude. That's why they told us to look outside of ourselves for the answers, because the power lies within. They've been steering us in the wrong direction for the longest since they got here, because they know. They are terrified. They are terrified. All the power is within you. You hold the power. You are the creator, experiencing itself in human form. You are the creator. See that God body is forming. That's what's happening. I know y'all feel that energy out there. Keep raising the vibration. I know y'all feel that energy out there. The God body is forming. We are luminous beings. Body is crystallizing. We putting on that God suit. It's time. It's chaos season. Tap into that darkness. It's chaos season. That feminine energy rising. Ashe, ashe, ashe. We are the powerful ones. We are in control. The deletes, they ain't controlling shit. They just manipulated us into creating this reality for us. But we taking our power back. Taking our power back. That's just a scare tactic. That's just like I say, see that, all right, long story short, we are on offense and they are the defense. See, when the defense see you about to score that touchdown or score that goal, they're gonna always put something in the middle of it to stop you from scoring. That's all that is. Do not pay them no mind with the borders, because they are trying to pump fear, because they need your attention. Your attention is your currency. They need your energy. They need your energy. Don't pay them no mind. They see all the low vibrational beings about to be tearing each other up. Gratitude for the gift. They're gonna tear each other up. So don't pay. Look, that's why I say pay attention to what you can control. Let them tear each other up. That's not our fight. See what I'm saying? If they don't bring it to your doorstep, then let them be. Because they need attention. They're trying to siphon our energy still. See what I'm saying? Because they do not exist in the higher realms where we going. We are rising in frequency. We are evolving. They do not exist. So what they're trying to do is get in your way and throw all these false illusions in your way so that they can steal your energy, so that you can power their system. Because their shit is crumbling right before your eyes. See what I'm saying? They are fiending for attention. Gratitude for the gifts. Gratitude. Much gratitude. They are fiending. Yeah, they are fiending. They gonna try any and everything to get your attention, to move you. But remember that we create our own reality. You took your mind back. That's why we took our mind back and create our own reality. That's why their system is falling. We are rising in unity. It's going back to how it was, even greater than it was. We are rebuilding, but it gotta get worse before it get better. See what I'm saying? Ashe, ashe, ashe. Ashe, ashe. We are manifesting each other. See what I'm saying? Like-minded beings. We are manifesting each other. We are magnetism. So you're gonna attract your tribe. Keep rising. I know it